All right, number 2. This one also has the problem started out for us. This one will end up, I believe, being a perfect square trinomial, but we're going to go through that factoring process again. So we have 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. All right, so there's nothing I can divide from the 9, the 24, the 16. So I'm just going to start out multiplying first and last number, 9 and 16, 144. And so this will give me a pretty extensive list. So sometimes you may want to use a calculator, but I'm looking for numbers that add to give me 24. Now I happen to know that 12 times 12 is from the multiplication facts. 12 times 12 is 24, and if you add, you will get, 12 times 12 is 144. If you add, you get 24. But let me just show you that full list again. So if I use this calculator, turn it on, go to y equal, type 144 divided by x, and then do second graph to see the table. We got 1 and 144, 2 and 72, 3 and 48, 4 and 36, skip 5, 6 and 24, skip 7, 8 and 18, 9 and 16, skip 10, skip 11, 12 and 12. So we get several numbers in this list. I'm not going to write them all down, just showing you this time. I usually write them when it's a shorter list, but use this technology, help you get there faster. But we found out that 12 and 12, so I'm going to do 2 sets of parentheses. Again, since I have a leading coefficient, I'm going to put that in front of both. Just remind yourself that's incorrect. We've got to reduce to fix it. Put in x with each of those. At the back, we're going to put the 2 numbers we found, which are 12 and 12. And then we're going to figure out the signs. Left to right, first sign, bigger number. They're both the same, so just give one of them a plus. The second sign is positive, so both the same. And then we just got to reduce. So 9 and 12, both divisible by 3. So divide by 3 gives us 3x. Divide by 3 gives us 4. And it'll be the same over here. Okay. And then at that point, we are done. You want to check to see that you get the same. But as you can see, one of them was already given, and the other one here. So looks like I just wrote down the wrong sign here. I should have wrote a minus. So the first sign would have been a minus, and then the second sign tells me they're both the same. So I need a minus here. So got to be careful. Minus and minus. I ended up with pluses because I wrote a plus here, and the computer has a minus. So got to be careful with that. So they're both 3, well, they already got parentheses. They're both 3x minus 4. So this is what they mean perfect square. Perfect square means it's the same term, and it can really be written as 3x minus 4 squared. But that's going to be good enough for now. All right, so we're going to do it with this problem as well. So number 3, we have 8y squared minus 33 plus 25. All right, can't factor anything out. So I'm going to do 8 times 5, which is going to give me 200. Again, this will be a pretty extensive list. Five, 40, 6, 7, 8, 25, 10, 20. Let's see if we got what we need within here. We want to add to get 33. Any of these add to 33? 8 and 25. So put an 8 in the front of both. Again, that's wrong. Split up the y. At the back, we're going to put the 8 and 25. First sign left to right is negative, bigger number. Second sign positive, they're going to be the same, so both negative. Got to reduce. Both of these can be divided by 8. Divided by 8. These cannot be reduced, so we're going to leave that one as it is. Okay. And then here we have our factored form, y minus 1, 8y minus 25.